India is growing fast. It is a 4 trillion economy. But honestly, even if India becomes a global superpower, does it really change your life? क्या इससे आपकी जिंदगी में कोई फर्क पड़ेगा? For most people, their life won't really change. Stay with me in this video because the problem is deeper. Every year, millions of young people graduate with degrees, expectations, and one belief. If I work hard, I will build a stable life. फिर सामने reality आती है. According to reports, nearly 40% of young graduates are unemployed in India. Just think about it. इतने सारे लोग डिग्रीज के साथ घर पे बैठे हैं. And here is the core issue. There are simply not enough quality jobs. India produces around 5 million graduates every year. But stable and well-paying jobs नहीं है उनके लिए. Even among those who get work, many end up in low-paying or unrelated roles. Imagine a graduate working as a delivery partner or in some other gig job. Unfortunately, this is the reality. So after years of effort, the outcome does not match the expectation and यहाँ से frustration शुरू होती है. People grow up hearing, study hard, get a degree, build a stable career. But today, that promise is breaking. And when something you trusted your whole life stops working, it frustrates you. There is another deeper problem and it starts quite early. बचपन से ही ये पूछा जाता है What percentage did you get? कोई ये नहीं पूछता क्या सीखा. Marks become everything, learning becomes secondary. With outdated curriculum, low quality education and very little practical exposure, instead of preparing students for work, we created a degree factory. That's why degrees keep increasing, but real skills do not increase. That's why only around 40 to 50% of graduates are currently job ready in India. इसीलिए companies बोलती है we cannot find talent and students say we cannot find jobs. And both are right. That is the paradox. Many are educated but simply not employable. This actually creates a double problem. Shortage of good jobs and shortage of job-ready skills. Together, it becomes a bigger crisis. Then many start chasing government jobs. But Q, for many people, it is not about prestige anymore. It is about security. Because private jobs feel unstable and underpaid. The reality is brutal. One exam, lakhs of applicants and a few hundred seats. जिसमें years of preparation and repeated attempts होते हैं. उसके ऊपर delays, cancellations and paper leaks. This slowly turns into exhaustion because this is not just about jobs. A job decides independence, confidence and how people see you. And when that becomes uncertain, everything feels uncertain. There is social media that shows everybody is doing perfectly well. Who knows what's true? But you get to see it anyway. And you are still figuring things out. So slowly it becomes a toxic cycle. A cycle of stress, self-doubt and comparison. But the truth is, life is getting harder for everybody. Expenses are constantly rising, but incomes are not growing. So even those who are working feel stuck. A person earning around 70 to 80,000 rupees living in a city will end up saying, "पता नहीं पैसा जाता कहाँ है." This is why things feel more intense today. Competition is higher and opportunities are limited. And our demographic advantage will of course not last forever. So what we fix now matters a lot. Let's be very clear. India का youth lazy नहीं है. It is trying. So when efforts do not lead to opportunities, frustration only grows. And that is the real issue. Not lack of talent, not lack of hard work, but lack of opportunities. And at least to grow, we need basic facilities right, like quality education and good health care. So do let us know what frustrates you most today. Because unless we talk about this honestly, nothing will change. And if nothing changes, this frustration will never end.